Welcome to this Law Bank video. Today we're breaking down an 8-mark OCR A-Level Law question. What is the role of jurors in criminal trials? Jurors sit in the Crown Court and decide if someone is guilty or not guilty in serious criminal cases like murder or robbery. They listen to the evidence from both sides and the judge's explanation of the law at the end, called the summing up. Then the jury retires to a private room to discuss the case in secret. This is known as jury secrecy. It means no one outside the jury can know what is said, not even the judge. This rule protects jurors from pressure, but it also means we can't always tell how they've reached their decision. A key example is R.V. Young, 1995. In this case, jurors were staying overnight in a hotel and used a Ouija board to try and contact the victim's spirit. They returned a guilty verdict the next day. Because this happened outside the jury room, the court was allowed to investigate and the conviction was quashed. However, if the same thing had happened inside the jury room, the verdict would have been protected under jury secrecy, even though it was based on a completely improper method. This case shows how it's impossible to know what a jury bases its decision on and that secrecy can sometimes hide serious problems. Jurors decide questions of fact, meaning they decide what they believe actually happened based on the evidence. The judge explains the law, and the jury must apply that law to the facts. A unanimous decision is preferred, but a majority verdict, such as 10-2, can be accepted if the judge allows it. When a decision is reached, the foreperson, a spokesperson chosen from the jury, delivers the final verdict in open court, either guilty or not guilty. Jurors also have a special power called jury equity, which allows them to give a verdict based on their conscience, even if it goes against the strict wording of the law. A good example is R.V. Ponting, where a civil servant was found not guilty after leaking government documents because the jury believed what he did was morally right. But with this freedom comes responsibility. Jurors must not search for information, talk to outsiders about the case, or post online. If they do, they can be prosecuted under the Contempt of Court Act 1981. In the case of Theodora Dallas, a juror was sent to prison for researching the case and sharing what she found. To finish, remember, for 8-mark questions, you will only be rewarded for clear, correct statements of fact. Do not give your opinion and do not write about advantages or disadvantages. Save that for the 12-mark evaluation questions. So to get full marks, you can include these 8 facts. 1, jurors sit in the Crown Court. 2, listen to the evidence and judges summing up. 3, retire in secret to deliberate. 4, decide questions of fact. 5, may return a majority verdict. 6, the foreperson announces the verdict in court. 7, jurors may use jury equity, e.g. R.V. Ponting. And 8, they must follow the rules or face prosecution, e.g. Theodora Dallas.